In this video, I explain how to buy shares of the Cooper Companies, Inc. The Cooper Companies is a global medical device and contact lens manufacturer listed on NASDAQ under the ticker COO, and this is an educational walkthrough, not investment advice. To purchase shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you typically must verify the account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker COO to locate the company listing. Select the result that explicitly shows the Cooper Companies, Inc. on NASDAQ to ensure it's the correct stock. On the asset page, check the basic company information and review the price chart for recent movement. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker COO to verify you are on the right page. To place an order, click Invest or Trade, choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the execution will occur at the next market open. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the trade. Once the order fills, your new position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the example link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.